All right, we are at Mr. Duron Peacock's house. It is 1:30 in the afternoon, Thursday, the 2nd of May. It's currently 83 degrees. This is Omar Carias from Carias Construction. He's a master repair technician, repairs roofs all across the state of Georgia and Southeast for quite a few different companies. We're going to be attempting to repair this shingle here to his left. The one that has a green hash on it. That's the one that has been compromised. So we are going to attempt to pull out that shingle without damaging it, along with reinstalling it. And we will see what it looks like after it is complete. All right. "82 degrees, partly cloudy, beautiful day." There you go, there's the shingle. So it was installed correctly. It's on the nail line, as well as the row above it. Had nailed it down in the head lap of the shingle, you can see here. So it was installed correctly. Just having to clean out the old nails to prep it. So we're gonna go back with the same shingle, just to install it, slide it in, see what we got. Just to kind of show here, the surface temperature of the shingle is 156.5 degrees in holding. So this being an asphalt shingle, it should be very pliable without compromising in any way, shape, or form. The shingle were in any condition to accept or receive a repair. So here he's nailing back down. We can already start and begin to see that there's some compromises happening, some creases happening on some of the shingles. Not all of the shingles, but some of the shingles. Let's see here. Yeah. All right, so let's see what we got. So he's got a nifty little brush here that's just gonna act like wind to see if there's any kind of granular loss, compromise in any way, shape, or form. You can see right here, that one is gone. The one above it right there, yep. So you can, wow. So again, not all of them, but this was the one that was originally being replaced or repaired, and it damaged 1, 2, looks like even 3 here on this side as well. Yeah, so that one as well was beginning to crease. What do you think, Omar? Good or no good?
No good.
No good. All right, so that's a professional recommendation. 2 different companies state the shingle and the entire roof assembly would need to be replaced. Thank you.